Guys, this pot is heavy. I've not cooked inside and it's heavy like this. It's saying 1810 stainless steel induction cup mass 20 centimeter, designed by Turkey. Why is this heavy? My hand is already paining me. Okay, if you're buying stainless steel pots, one of the things you look out for is to have something that grips your hand here, because when you want to carry it so it doesn't slip because of oil and then soap and all those things, so it has this for a firmer grip. As I don't have money to buy the elites of those pots, this is the best affordable original stainless steel pots to buy. Why stainless steel pots are the best? Because it's non-toxic. There's no fear of buying those what they call it, those non-sticky pots. This is also non-sticky, and there's a way to prep a stainless pot before you start using it. I'm going to show you all that. Okay. This is the best pot material you should get, and why I decided to go for this. Now they have the one of glass, but I purposely did not choose glass because of how dirt gets trapped in glass. If you're using you already know, let me show you. So this is my other pot cover, and if you're using glass, you already know dirt gets trapped into all these places because of the rims around it, the way it's being produced also here. So the way oil gets into here, so you're always cleaning this part, the surroundings of this one too, you're always cleaning it. So all these holes, I do not want to deal with unscrewing and screwing and then dirt getting trapped here. Sometimes when I cook, I just even see the dirt. It's just annoying. So I said, I beg. I'm not about that suffer life. So anything glass, that was why I didn't choose the one for glass cover, hence why I chose this. I'm done with fashionable pots. I don't want anything fashion anymore. Like, I want things that I can use every day and be comfortable using it. Let me know I'm not dealing with too much. And that was why I went for this cover, because you can see it's easy to clean. There's no much work in cleaning this kind of pots. And then if you're also looking to buy stainless steel pots, one of the things they also said is that make sure it's not, if it's an handle that is molded to it, over time, because of the heaviness of stainless steel, the hand can just break or pull off. So they said you should always look out for the ones that have these bolts, like it's being bolted in it like this, as you can see, and then outside as well like this, that it never pulls off. Even my aluminum pots of those days, you know, those tower pots that we use, I have the smallest one, the smallest size. I use it for my noodles. That one, I've always been scared that the handle will pull off, and I've used that pot for like over 7 years and nothing has happened to that pot. The hand did not pull off. So I believe when they say it should have stuffs like this, it lasts, it can't just pull off, it won't even pull off. That's what they're trying to say. So those were one of the things I looked out for before buying my stainless steel pots. And then obviously the heaviness, you would already know that it will cook even because of this part. It's heavier than this other part, which is a mix of another melter, but your food will cook evenly, and you can use it on an induction cooker and all this kind of stuff. Anyway, so those were the things I looked out for before deciding to buy a stainless steel pot. Most importantly, toxins, this PFA, PFOA that they say is inside pots, because when you buy all these regular non-sticky pots, let me show you the pots I'm using. Before, this is the pot I'm using. This is the only one and the biggest one that is not so bad out of my old pots. So, and I don't like these rims, it's just so tough. The under is embarrassing because I've used so many things. Maybe I've not gotten the right thing, and I'm really going to research on it so well, so I will know how to maintain this. So no matter the cookware you get, maintenance is key. That's just the truth. You can't be lazy about it. And yeah, this is the under of my pot. Shameful. And I don't like all, it's just tougher to clean. Like, I don't know, it annoyed me. It's like I even bought one iron sponge. It looked like it was scratching the pot. I don't know, maybe it's just me that I don't know what to use to clean it. So this one is still good, it's not been scratched. But if I show you the other ones I used to cook on a regular basis, my goodness, the chemical that comes out of it once I put it in my cupboard, like it's washed, it's clean, but when I bring it out, I just see one white substances coming out of it because it has been scratched, and it's a lot. Well, anyway, that was why I decided to buy this one. It's not the elite of the stainless steel pots, but this is an affordable stainless steel pot. It's not so affordable, sharp, but yeah, for my own brackets, it's still quite affordable. The other ones that I wanted to buy, which is let me try and remember the name. There's a name they call it, Le Creuset. I'm using Le Creuset pots. Yeah, those are drink pots. Like, those are the elite pots. And I saw the price, I said, 800,000 in where? God, by the time I did the conversion to Naira, 800,000. I'm like, who is doing that one? There was even one that was over 800,000. It's like 1 point something. I said, I don't have that kind of money. This will do. I will achieve all my goals. What that one we achieve too, I will still achieve it with this one. And yeah, that was why I went for this. And now that it's here, trust me, if you want to buy it, don't be scared to buy it. I've bought it, and maybe over time when I use it, I'll still give my review for it. But you guys, this pot is heavy. I've not put food inside and it's heavy like this. I don't know how to manage. I will grow muscle. That's just the truth. I will grow muscle in using this pot. But yeah, I'm happy that it came heavy, because they said that's one of the things you should look out for. Not so heavy, but it should have weight, because it's made of original stainless steel, so it should have weight, but not too heavy. For me, it's quite heavy. Anyway, that's what I think about it, and so far that's what I can say about this pot. When I use it over time, I'll let you know updates on how my experiences with the pot. So for now, that was what made me make the decision of getting this kind of covers and this kind of pot. So yeah, I will show you how to prep a stainless steel pot. So I decided to read the carton as well to see any information there. I wanted to be sure I can use it on a gas stove. So obviously, yeah, this is an induction, which is your electric plate stuff. This is also your electric, I don't know, I shall know. It's also another cooking stuff. Then this is for gas that has flames, as you can see. And then I think this is plastics, can be used on it. I think that's what it means. And then it's dishwasher safe, and then do not throw in the dustbin. So yeah, that's what I can read from that. And then it says here, my eyes on 1810 stainless steel. I don't know what that thing is. Serial -NI, I don't know what it means. I'll look out for it. 1810 stainless steel, super casual base which transfer the heat evenly, highly polished attractive exterior surfaces, highly tempered extra secure glass lids, that's if that's what you got, ergonomic cool touch, stainless steel handles and knobs, and then suitable for waterless cooking, best for oversized cooking and industrial use. Clean the item with a dishwater Clean the item with dish detergent and hot water before first use, and then do not leave on the oven for a long time unless water, oil or food stuff is inside. Do not add abrasive brushes or helper for cleaning. Can be cleaned in dishwasher. So yeah, that's what it says. This is my vegetable oil. I'm just going to put a little there, and then use my paper towel to just rub it in everywhere. $150 bay. For the good and health of everybody. Me, I dey take care of myself, not be for mouth. Not be for mouth oh.